गाइस आज अपन आए हैं मिलिट्री बेस और ड्रॉप पाथ में यही था, लेकिन एक दो ही बंदे आते हैं गाइस। किस्मत बेकार थी गाइस।
There's no way that you make it. You can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't want to hear it anymore.
जैसे ये बंदा भाग जाकर सांप बन जाता है, इसको ही भरते हैं गाइस।
Your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to hit. There's no way that you make it. But you're never gonna make it.
बंदे के साथ मिलिट्री बेस खाली होता है, निकलते हैं फिर बंदों के लिए। यहाँ पर दिखती है एक बाइक, इसको पकड़ते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर मेरा नेट धोखा दे देता है गाइस। पिंग डायरेक्ट 960 FPS हो जाती है गाइस। कुछ देर के लिए तो मेरी फट जाती है गाइस कि वो बंदा देख ना ले, लेकिन किस्मत अच्छी होती है गाइस, वो बंदा सीधा निकल जाता है।
You gotta stop it, yo, you gotta take it slow. You can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take.
पोचंग की आते ही जानलेवा फायर होती है गाइस। इस बंदे को ही बढ़ते हैं और साथ में एक बंदा और मिल जाता है। दोनों इजी किल होते हैं गाइस। दोनों को लपेटे में ले लेते हैं अपन।
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not think a stray kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they're not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth. There's no way that you make it.
ये बंदा गाइस मेरे लिए पहले से ही तैयार था, लेकिन बच जाते हैं जैसे तैसे करके। बाइक वाले को भी बढ़ते हैं गाइस, उसको ज़रूरत नहीं चाहती जल्दी चेंज कर लेते हैं।
Probable, irresponsible, too many obstacles. You gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow. You can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it 'cause it's what I wanna fucking do. 'Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. 'Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me.
गाइस चर्च के ऊपर एक बंदा होता है, इसको भी भरते हैं गाइस। एकदम परफेक्ट नेट होता है गाइस, पहला वाला नहीं, दूसरा वाला। लेकिन उसी टाइम पीछे से मुझ पे फायर होती है गाइस, उसको भी देखेंगे।
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore.
गाइस ये बाइक वाला मुश्किल से 10 HP बचा हुआ, लेकिन किस्मत अच्छी थी, बच गया।
Damn mouth, before I do more, speak out. It's about to hit. But you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. They think you're different and you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're responsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction.
गाइस ये वाला शॉट बताना कैसा था, कमेंट करके।
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back? You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many.
गाइस लास्ट वाले बंदे को देखना कैसा मारते हैं अपन।
Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your
आज की वीडियो में यही था गाइस फर्स्ट टाइम वॉइस ओवर है, कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कैसी लगी एंड लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना गाइस एंड शेयर। थैंक यू गाइस।